Introduction to fractions. If we look at a measuring tape, we find that it has many numbers on it and some lines in between these numbers. The numbers on the measuring tape are the inch numbers, while each of the lines in between represent divisions of a whole inch, which are actually fractions of a whole inch. In this session, we will learn about fractions, an understanding of which will help us to read each of these divisions accurately. At the end of the session, you will be able to explain fractions, read and write fractions and figures. Do you know that you actually use fractions in daily life? Yes, you use it every day when you cook food. Like when you need to figure out how much of a certain ingredient you need to use to get your recipe right. For example, you have to add half a cup of water or half of a tablespoon of sugar to your tea, or quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder or chili powder to your curry. In all these instances in daily life, you actually use fractions. Now we will take the example of this rod to learn about fractions. We will divide the whole portion of this rod such that we get 2 equal parts of it. Both the equal parts of the rod are a fraction of the rod. Thus, a fraction represents a part of the whole. When any object is divided into equal parts, then each of the equal parts is called a fraction. Now let's see how we will write fraction in figures. Here, each of the 2 parts is 1 out of 2 parts. So we will write the fraction as 1 by 2. As you can see, fractions are written with a number and a line in between and another number underneath. The number on the bottom always shows the total number of equal parts. The total number of equal parts here is 2. We can also write the same fraction as. Now we will divide the whole portion of the same rod into 3 equal parts. Here, each of the 3 parts is 1 out of 3 parts. So we will write the fraction as 1 by 3. Dividing the whole portion of the same rod further, we get 4 equal parts of the rod. We will write the fraction for each of the 4 parts as 1 by 4. Now, if we were to divide the whole portion of the same rod into 5 equal parts, then the fraction for each of the 5 parts is 1 by 5. Now we will divide the whole portion of the same rod into 6 equal parts. Thus the fraction for each of the 6 parts will be written as 1 by 6. We again divide the whole portion of the rod to get 7 equal parts. The fraction for each of the 7 parts will be 1 by 7. Finally, dividing the rod further will give us 8 equal parts, each of the parts written as 1 by 8. In this session, we have learned how to read and represent half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, and 1 by 8 in figures. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the key points. When an object is divided into equal parts, then each of the equal parts is called a fraction. Fractions are written with a number and a line in between and another number underneath. The number on the bottom always shows the total number of equal parts. When you divide an object into many equal parts, then the fraction for each of the equal parts will be written as 1 by the number of equal parts. With that, we've come to the end of the session.